Hello friend. Today we will talk about the Italy. Italy is the top most beautiful country of the world. Traveling to Italy sounds like a fantastic idea. Whether you're drawn to the historical sites, the delicious cuisine, or the stunning landscapes, there's something for everyone in Italy. From the iconic landmarks of Rome, such as the Colosseum and Vatican City, to the romantic canals of Venice, the artistic treasures of Florence, and the beautiful Amalfi Coast, Italy offers a diverse range of experiences. Make sure to try authentic Italian dishes like pasta, pizza, gelato, and espresso, and don't forget to explore the local markets for fresh produce and artisanal goods. Here's a list of 5 cities in Italy that are often considered among the best. Number 1. Rome. Rome is the capital city of Italy, is often referred to as the Eternal City due to its rich history spanning over 2,500 years. It's a city where ancient ruins, Renaissance art, and modern life intertwine seamlessly, creating a vibrant and captivating atmosphere. History. Rome was founded in 753 BC according to legend, and it grew from a small settlement to become the center of one of the most powerful empires in history, the Roman Empire. At its peak, the empire stretched from Britain to North Africa and from Spain to Syria. Landmarks. Rome is home to some of the world's most famous landmarks and monuments. The Colosseum, an ancient amphitheater, is an iconic symbol of the city and a must-visit attraction. Other notable landmarks include the Roman Forum, the Vatican City with St. Peter's Basilica and the Sistine Chapel, the Trevi Fountain, and the Spanish Steps. Art and culture. Rome has been a center of art and culture for centuries, attracting artists, writers, and thinkers from around the world. The Vatican Museums house one of the greatest art collections in the world, including Michelangelo's famous ceiling frescoes in the Sistine Chapel. The city is also home to numerous art galleries, churches adorned with masterpieces, and beautiful public squares where locals and visitors alike gather to enjoy the vibrant street life. Cuisine. Italian cuisine is renowned worldwide, and Rome is no exception. From traditional dishes like pasta carbonara, cacio e pepe, and pizza al taglio to mouth-watering gelato and espresso, there is no shortage of delicious food to try in the city. Rome's culinary scene also includes trendy cafes, cozy trattorias, and upscale restaurants serving both classic and innovative dishes. Modern life. While Rome is steeped in history, it's also a modern and bustling metropolis with a vibrant contemporary culture. Visitors can explore trendy neighborhoods like Trastevere, known for its charming streets and lively nightlife, or take a leisurely stroll along the Tiber River. Rome is also a shopping paradise, with designer boutiques, artisanal shops, and bustling markets offering everything from fashion and jewelry to antiques and souvenirs. Overall, Rome is a city that captivates the imagination with its timeless beauty, rich history, and vibrant culture. Whether you're exploring ancient ruins, admiring world-class art, indulging in delicious cuisine, or simply soaking up the atmosphere of this magnificent city, Rome is sure to leave a lasting impression. Number 2. Florence. Florence, often referred to as the cradle of the Renaissance, is a city in the Tuscany region of Italy. It's renowned for its rich history, stunning architecture, and immense cultural significance. Here's a breakdown of what defines Florence. Art and architecture. Florence is synonymous with some of the greatest achievements in art and architecture. During the Renaissance, the city flourished as a center of creativity and innovation, attracting artists, architects, and scholars from across Europe. Iconic landmarks such as the Florence Cathedral, Duomo, with its magnificent dome designed by Filippo Brunelleschi, and the Galleria degli Uffizi, one of the world's oldest and most renowned art museums, showcase the city's artistic legacy. Not to be missed are also Michelangelo's David at the Accademia Gallery and the intricate frescoes of the Santa Maria Novella Church. Renaissance heritage. Florence's role as the birthplace of the Renaissance is evident in its architecture, art, and intellectual heritage. The Medici family, one of the most influential dynasties of the Renaissance, played a significant role in the city's cultural development, sponsoring artists like Leonardo da Vinci, Michelangelo, and Botticelli. Their patronage contributed to the creation of masterpieces that continue to attract visitors from around the world. Cultural significance. Beyond its artistic treasures, Florence has a rich cultural heritage that extends to its literature, philosophy, and science. The city was home to luminaries such as Dante Alighieri, author of the Divine Comedy, and Galileo Galilei, the renowned physicist and astronomer. Visitors can explore the city's intellectual legacy by visiting landmarks like the Dante House Museum and the Galileo Museum, which showcase the achievements of these influential figures. Charming atmosphere. Florence's compact size and pedestrian-friendly streets make it a delight to explore on foot. Visitors can wander through narrow medieval alleys, discover hidden piazzas adorned with elegant statues and fountains, and enjoy panoramic views of the city from vantage points like the Piazzale Michelangelo. The city's picturesque surroundings, including the rolling hills of Tuscany and the Arno River, add to its romantic and enchanting atmosphere. Culinary delights. Florence is also known for its delectable cuisine, which highlights the fresh flavors of Tuscany. From hearty ribollita soup and succulent bistecca alla Fiorentina, Florentine steak, to delicate pastries and creamy gelato, the city offers a feast for the senses. Number 3. Venice. Often referred to as the City of Canals or the Floating City, is a unique and enchanting destination located in northeastern Italy. Here's what defines Venice. Canals and waterways. Venice is famous for its intricate network of canals, which serve as the city's streets, connecting its numerous islands. The Grand Canal, the largest and most important waterway in Venice, is lined with elegant palaces, churches, and historic buildings. Visitors can explore the city by gondola, vaporetto, water bus, or simply by walking along its picturesque canals and crossing its iconic bridges. Historic architecture. Venice is home to a wealth of architectural treasures dating back centuries. Highlights include St. Mark's Basilica, a stunning example of Byzantine architecture adorned with intricate mosaics and marble columns, the Doge's Palace, a masterpiece of Venetian Gothic style that once served as the seat of government, and the Rialto Bridge, the oldest and most famous bridge spanning the Grand Canal. Art and culture. Venice has a rich cultural heritage, with a long history of patronage of the arts. The city is home to world-class museums, galleries, and theaters showcasing works by Venetian masters such as Titian, Tintoretto, and Giovanni Bellini. Visitors can explore the Peggy Guggenheim collection, housed in a picturesque palazzo along the Grand Canal, or attend performances at the historic Teatro La Fenice. Venetian cuisine. Venice is renowned for its delicious cuisine, which reflects its unique location and maritime heritage. Traditional dishes include seafood specialties like sard and sar, marinated sardines, risotto al nero di seppia, risotto with cuttlefish ink, and fritto misto, mixed fried seafood. Visitors can also indulge in Venetian sacchetti, small plates, and enjoy a glass of local wine or a refreshing Aperol spritz at charming Baccari wine bars throughout the city. Carnival. Venice is famous for its annual carnival celebration, which dates back to the 12th century. During Carnival, the city comes alive with colorful costumes, elaborate masks, and lively festivities, including parades, masquerade balls, and cultural events. It's a magical time to experience the vibrant spirit and traditions of Venice. Number 4. Milan. Milan is a cosmopolitan city in northern Italy, renowned as a global hub for fashion, design, and finance. It is home to iconic landmarks such as the magnificent Milan Cathedral, Duomo di Milano, and Leonardo da Vinci's masterpiece, The Last Supper. With its blend of historical grandeur and modern sophistication, Milan offers a vibrant urban experience and attracts visitors from around the world. Naples is a historic city located in southern Italy, known for its rich cultural heritage, vibrant street life, and delicious cuisine. It serves as a gateway to the stunning Amalfi Coast and the archaeological sites of Pompeii and Herculaneum. Naples is famous for its authentic Neapolitan pizza, narrow alleyways filled with local markets, and landmarks such as the Castel Nuovo and the Naples National Archaeological Museum. Number 5. Naples. Naples is a historic city located in southern Italy, known for its rich cultural heritage, vibrant street life, and delicious cuisine. It serves as a gateway to the stunning Amalfi Coast and the archaeological sites of Pompeii and Herculaneum. Naples is famous for its authentic Neapolitan pizza, narrow alleyways filled with local markets, and landmarks such as the Castel Nuovo and the Naples National Archaeological Museum.